Hey everyone, it's Neil, and check out what I have here from Third Hill. I'll show you guys this, if I can open it. Not sure why they come in Ziploc bags. It's not like I'll ever put it back in the bag again, but it's funny how they package things some days. So, here we go. This is nice. So this, comes with a little paper in there. So this is a sweater. A little hoodie sweater. So look at this. Really nice looking. I'll show you guys up close here what it looks like. I'm actually wearing a Third Hill shirt now. But you can see it's got kind of a corduroy or something like that pattern. And it is a hoodie with the pockets through the middle there. And a hood on the top. Let's try this on. Let me see what size. I don't even know what size I got. I think I got a size large. Yes, large. This is a blue large. And here it is going on me. So my sleeve's got a little bunched up underneath, but I'll show you guys it. Ah, very nice. This is nice. This feels really good. It's nice because it's not super duper thick, but it is kind of thick. So it's got good long sleeves, man. This is great. I'm going to Denver next week, and this will probably be the one shirt I wear every single day. So here we go. So we have the hoodie, and the pocket goes all the way through like a real hoodie would. Sorry, I have my microphone over here. I'll put it on so you can hear. So here we go. So this is it, and it's looks good. The length goes to about mid-butt, so a little bit longer than my shirt underneath it is. So that's nice. And the hood, let's try this out here. It's got a nice hood on it. It doesn't have strings or anything, so I can't cinch it up, but I rarely ever would anyways. Sorry, my dog's eating my foot. But this is nice. It looks good. This is what it looks like from the back with me wearing it with that. And let's get you up close here. Let me scroll my little cart away. And so this is how it looks up close. I really like this sweater. It's like a sweater, sweatshirt combo deal, whatever. You could wear it for whatever. Could wear it, looks nice. I've been going out in the evenings and it's starting to get cold here even in Texas, but when I go to Denver, I'll want to be comfortable. It's be great for just walking around, going to the mall, doing anything. So totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure. This is great. Third Hill makes the best stuff. I love it.